Hello guys, welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name is Vadim and I'm a beginner day trader. Today is day number 68 of the small account challenge, and today is a record breaking day for me because today is 8th consecutive green day. Awesome. I already had 7 consecutive green day. I think it was between May and June, but I never had 8 green days in a row. Amazing. So today my account is up by $55.33 or 201%. An awesome green day. And let me show you my trader view. So as you can see, today I made 8 trades. So the first trade I took was on IPM. This is the stock I was watching, I believe from 6:30, 6:35. It's first it squeezed, then sold off, then squeezed a lot, and I thought it can go up to $4-5. So I marked all of the resistance levels, and it didn't go. So really proud of this trade because it didn't work. I sold it almost immediately. So the next stock popped up on light volume, SVRE. I think I already traded this stock before. I bought 100 shares. Didn't average down. This was on light volume. I told myself that I'm jumping really high, and I put a stop loss at 170. The stock went to 170. I didn't sell, gave it more room that I needed to give, and as you can see, on this trade I lost $23.01. Not really proud of this trade. So then HIND pops up on the scanner. So I see it first pop up, then went lower, then popped up again. I hit the buy button, bought 50 shares, and almost immediately I was up by $50 on the trade. I didn't sell a single share. What I did, I decided to add. When it moved higher, I added 50 more, and I was with 100 shares on this trade. So at some point I was only with 50 shares up $74 on a trade. So what I would do differently if I would be trading again this stock or any other stock, I would probably, instead of adding, I would hold this position as long as I can if a stock is strong. Not selling, but holding. So, but still, I added. I sold it really fast because I remember from yesterday, I told myself, if you guys didn't watch my yesterday recap, I think on the first trade I lost money, and on the second and third I was up on a day like $94. So my daily goal is about $50. Yesterday was, up $94 on the third trade, and I didn't realize it, and I immediately jumped and started trading another stock instead of, reducing size and take it slow. So on this one, I remember from yesterday what I had. I wanted to avoid the same thing. So what I did, I started selling. When I noticed I have a P&L like over $100, I started selling, sold 75 shares, left 25, and when it squeezed much higher, I sold another 25. And when I sold, it squeezed another $3 more. So again, this was not an ideal trade, but still I was able to make over $1 a share. Then again, did not follow what I said yesterday. So I didn't stop trading, let's say just walking away from my computer or taking a walk in my garden. This is what I needed to be done after this trade. However, I didn't do it and decided to start trading the stock. Even though I had only like 1,000 cash balance left, I started burning this cash balance, trading this stock with 25 shares. As you can see, This is almost a break-even trade because the stock was expensive, around like $10 or $12. This is when I was trading it. Then I jumped, reduced the size to 15. So on this trade I lost $8. So on this trade I had 45 shares, and I believe here I averaged down. So lost a lot on this trade. So then I decided to reduce my share size to 5 shares, lost on it again, and on this trade, as you can see, on 7 shares I made $1 a share when it was breaking VWAP. So I gave back around $30 from the top today. Not ideal, but still an awesome green day. Really happy about it. And let me know, guys, how you finished today, what you traded, and if you were able to make any money on IND. So this is my day. Right now I'm gonna show you my trades in a pre-market session. Good morning, guys. Looking at IPM, this is not our leading gapper. This is actually third leading gapper on the day. And this stock squeezed from a little under $2 up to $3.46. Now, as you can see, MACD is negative on 1 minute chart, and even though it shrank to move higher, I would not consider taking this trade because of MACD is negative. Yesterday I took my first trade, can't remember the symbol of the stock, but it was also was with a negative MACD and it didn't work, so I had to step out with $13 loss. So not doing this today on this stock or on any other stock. We have 5 minutes left until 7. We have many stocks sold off really hard. We have SPRC below VWAP, and as you can see, it was at some point $6.86. News, this stock not interested in trading. Looks like IPM just squeezed higher. Very interesting. This is property trust incorporation, real estate. So IPM is second leading gapper. We have also crazy stock FGNX. At some point was, how much was it? Like $24 or $25 on the day. Now it's $9.78. This is the stock I'm also will be looking at. I don't know if it can climb till VWAP. We have a lot of room there, even though this is a very expensive stock. So IPM is moving higher. We have a resistance on IPM 329, 365. It looks like it broke this resistance. Then we have a huge gap of 475, around 475 next level, then 550. IPM. So we have a huge green candle on 5 minute chart. This is good to see. MACD opened on 1 minute chart. Looks like we have a ascending trend line. doesn't look really accurate to me. Squeezing higher. One minute. APM is squeezing higher. It's 86% on the day. High 376, 375. Looking at the level 2, we have 369 on the us, 371, 377, looks like we're breaking. I wanna see what it's gonna do next. Is it gonna move higher? Moving higher, I'm gonna try to buy. I bought 25 shares for the move higher. Now, we have SVRE in the scanner. I just popped up hardware technology stock. Low share float. Now it's not moving. We'll see if it's gonna move. So the low was, I'm gonna buy the stock, bought 100 shares. We'll step out at 170 if it's gonna drop to 170. crazy swings on SVRE. I think I already traded the stock before. Only 6% on a day. $71 on us, 61 morning lower. I'm selling. Decent size loss, 23 cents on a share. Hint is hitting the scanner. I'm gonna try to buy it. I'm in on hint. I'm adding on hint. We did another 50 shares. So I'm in with trying to sell partially. We have news on it. Sold 25 shares, selling another 25, another 25. It's moving higher. I'm selling. I'm $113 on this. Oh, look at the move. Look at the move. Wow, this is crazy. I'm gonna try to buy on this pullback. Bought 25 shares on this pullback. We'll see if we can make something out of it. I'm selling, trying to get out. Sold it. I was nervous because this thing also can drop. We have many splits. When I look at what we have here, we have $18 and then we have 32. So we have a lot of room there. So hopefully we'll see some pullbacks on the stock. It's very expensive, but I think that's what needs to be traded today. I'm gonna buy 15 shares of it. I'm gonna try. Now not working. The trade is not working. I'm gonna buy here. No. Okay. I'm with 15 shares on the stock. It's moving higher. Moving, I'm selling. Trying to sell. Did not get filled. I tried to add 15 shares, did not get filled. I have lots of selling. Buying, added 15 shares. Selling. Try to add. I lost quite a lot on this. Was up like 100 with something dollars, and now trading only with 5 shares. Trying to time the move higher. I'm waiting, cannot add. I'm gonna try to add 3 shares, 2 shares. Do I have money to buy 2 shares? So I'm in with 7 shares on the stock. Can it break VWAP? Yeah, it's breaking VWAP. We're moving higher, and I'm selling. Trying to sell. So burned a lot of cash on it, as you can see, but I'm green on a day. Not a really big green day, but still good. If you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with others. And remember, trading is risky, and my today's results are not typical because most of the day traders lose money in a stock market. So if you want to learn how to trade, first trade in a simulator before putting real money on the line. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow.